What you see here is a telecommunications base station that has been operating stably for 10 years. The key to its sustained operation lies in what might seem like an inconspicuous component: conductive adhesive. Over its 10-year service life, the base station faces its most severe test: thermal cycling. From the extreme cold of -40 degrees Celsius to intense heat of 65 degrees Celsius, materials like metals and plastics expand and contract at different rates. This repeated microscopic movement generates persistent mechanical stress at the connection interfaces. Traditional conductive adhesives, after aging, suffer from decreased conductivity, reduced adhesion, and a sharp decline in shielding effectiveness, ultimately leading to signal interruption and equipment failure. In remote areas, a single maintenance event entails high labor costs and prolonged network downtime. Base stations have 3 core requirements for conductive adhesives and prolonged network downtime. Performance degradation after 10 years must be less than 5%. Environmental adaptability must withstand over 1,500 cycles of thermal shock. Material compatibility must accommodate the differing thermal expansion coefficients of materials like PCBs, metals, and plastics. KLEBER CG8022 high-temperature cure conductive adhesive was specifically developed for this application. Its key breakthrough is the systematic assurance of minimal performance degradation after long-term aging through an optimized ratio and stable integration of a silicone rubber matrix and nickel carbon conductive particles. It achieves a durable performance resistant to aging and fatigue. Its special formulation enables 95% performance retention after 10 years of simulated aging. In tests, shielding effectiveness is greater than or equal to 70 decibels even after 1,500 thermal cycles. CG8022 Innovations. A 3D cross-linked network structure ensures long-term stability. An adaptive coefficient of thermal expansion matches different substrates. Specially treated conductive particle surfaces prevent oxidative failure. CG8022 has passed 2,000 hours of accelerated aging tests and has been field validated in various extreme environments and climates. This is not just an ordinary conductive adhesive. It's an engineering guarantee for 10 years of maintenance-free base station operation. While other materials degrade with age, CG8022 maintains its initial performance. This is true reliability.